there, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered what lipstick gives Kat Dennings that iconic, bold pout? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into her signature lip look. Kat Dennings, known for her effortlessly sultry style, often rocks a classic deep red or berry lipstick that perfectly complements her fair complexion and dramatic eye makeup. The lipstick she's often spotted wearing is from MAC Cosmetics, specifically the iconic Ruby Woo. It's a rich matte red that's flattering on virtually every skin tone, and the best part? It lasts for hours without needing a touch-up. Now, if you want to recreate Kat's signature look, the key is to go for a lip color that's bold but not overwhelming. Ruby Woo offers that perfect balance of vivid color while keeping things timeless and sophisticated. Plus, the matte finish? It's long-wearing fat, which means you don't have to worry about your lipstick fading by the end of the day. But what really sets Kat's look apart is the precise application. To get that clean, sharp line, make sure to use a lip liner before applying your lipstick. It helps define the lips and keeps your color in place all day long. For a little extra volume, apply a touch of gloss in the center of your lips. This adds a subtle sheen without losing that dramatic matte effect. And if you want to experiment with a similar look but are seeking a more affordable option, try Revlon's Super Lustrous Matte Lipstick in Cherries in the Snow. It's a beautiful deep red that rivals the high-end formulas without breaking the bank. What's your go-to lipstick for a bold look? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. If you like what we do here at Beautyistic, why not hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more beauty tips and tricks? Make sure to click the bell icon to stay up to date with everything we have coming your way. I think you'll really enjoy the video shown on screen next. It's sure to help with your beauty goals. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.